Here I am using podcast audio for test my iPhone speaker quality. Also, I like to listen sometimes. So don't waste more time. Let's check how many speakers are on iPhone and what are the settings.
Hey Lindsay, how are you?
In this video I'm gonna show you when I press left button speaker there is no sound effect. But right bottom and top speaker can affect low sound.
I'm gonna go to Yosemite and Glacier National Park. I just love the West. I love the Western United States. I'm so enamored by it. Yeah. It's all about that trip. Really exciting. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing updates on Instagram for sure and taking you guys around the country. Yeah. Another swing around the U.S., right? I mean, that's great. The Great American Road Trip. Gotta love it. So it'll be fun. So guys, tune into that. Go to our Instagram channel. We now have an Instagram channel. Make sure you're following us.
If you are feeling not enough sound from one of two speaker on iPhone, then we can change or manage it under the accessibility settings that I am showing here. Go to the settings app and scroll to accessibility settings. Next to accessibility, scroll to audio, visual option and go into this. Under the balance, check out audio balance slider and keep this on center to listen equal sound on both top here speaker and bottom right speaker. Because no left speaker on iPhone.
You should go over and follow our channel so you can check that out all the time, a couple times a week. Definitely. And I'm glad you brought up Instagram, Lindsay, because you recently did something about the word perk, right? Exactly what perks mean and what that word means and how to use it, right? To talk about good things, positive things. Yeah, and that kind of leads me actually in today's episode because we're going to talk about a word that's kind of similar to perk in a way, kind of along similar lines. What's that word today, Lindsay? That word is asset. So it's not exactly the word perk, but it kind of reminds me of it in a way, because it's it's a positive thing, it's like a good thing, it's an advantage, right? Yeah, it's a good thing, exactly. It's a little different than perk, but it's on the same wavelength, I think. Right, exactly. So just when we were about to talk about it and you're talking about Instagram, I'm like, I remember that one. Yeah, so that was a really good one, Lindsay. I like that one.
Second solution for this problem is reset all settings on iOS device. Because wrong configurations mostly creating problem like this. Open settings app on iPhone, scroll to reset and reset all settings. Enter passcode, your iPhone will reboot once, you can use like normal. Just test it. Last time I get out no speaker sound, suddenly I am watching YouTube on my iPhone. I hard reboot my iPhone and it's okay. To hard reboot, quickly press and release volume up and down button one by one, and after that only press and hold side button until Apple logo appear on screen. Now take 5 seconds and press side power button to turn on. Here it is. Final suggestions and solutions. Speaker issues is sometimes serious. Some iPhone users gets damaged too early because of many reasons, like speaker port is blocked by chemical, speaker net is broken so distorted sound you will get, or speaker inside damaged. Don't worry because company gives no question ask replacement for the proper reason and under terms and conditions. So reach out to Apple Store as soon as possible and get a new one or repair in free.